are different kinds of nouns. A possessive noun is a noun that has something. I have something. I have a trumpet. Sandy has a trumpet. Because the trumpet belongs to Sandy, it is Sandy's trumpet. Sandy's is the possessive noun. Tap the possessive noun in the sentence. Peck is looking at Olo's guitar. Olo's. Good job! Tap the possessive noun in the sentence. Sandy's tube is purple. Sandy's. Good thinking! Tap the possessive noun in the sentence. Sandy likes Rhea's bug. Rhea's. Good work! Complete the sentence with a possessive noun. The beak is black. Quail. Quails. Quails. Great! Complete the sentence with a possessive noun. Do you hear the song? Chicks. Chick. Chicks. Great job! Which sentence has a possessive noun? Which sentence has a possessive noun? The lightning's flash was bright. Awesome!